Hi everyone, here we have the HIFRESH Evaporative Air Cooler. It comes just about fully assembled straight out of the box. The only thing you need to do is to attach this base to the bottom using the 6 screws provided. The fan stands 42 inches tall. It is a slim fan, so therefore you can put it in any room in the corner and it will not take up much space. It comes with a remote control. The remote control has several different settings. On the top of the fan, it also has the same exact settings as your remote control, so you can operate from there also. So if we turn it on, the fan has 3 different speeds: a low speed, a medium speed, and a high speed. The fan also has a timer. You can set this timer for any time within 12 hours and program it to go off at any time. It also has a swing mode. The swing mode is an oscillation mode where the fan moves horizontally side to side and pushes air throughout the room. If we go over to the back of this machine, it has a water reservoir right there. In that water reservoir, you would put up to a gallon of water, turn on the fan, and it would blow humidified air into the room. On the hot days, it comes with these 4 ice packs that you would freeze. You would then put them in the reservoir with the water, and this fan blows ice cold air. This is a great fan and I highly recommend it.
Okay, I'm reviewing this oscillating air cooler tower fan. It works really well. You can see on top it has all the buttons that you need. It has 3 speeds. Cool for using the air conditioner portion. Swing for oscillating. The modes has 3 modes. It has normal, natural, and a sleep mode. Then it also has a timer button. So in order to use the cold button, you swing around here to the back, and in this tray you add water, and then you also add these water bottles like this. You freeze it, and it has 4 of them in there, so you just stick those inside there to keep your water a lot colder, and really make your fan blow some pretty cold air, and it works really well. So I would definitely recommend this fan.
Alright, I'm going to open the air cooler. That's the box which I received